We are pleased to present SLURP, the first ever robotic system that sees through containers to recognize their internal contents without direct object contact. Understanding liquids and amorphous solids is a challenging task for domestic robots. These materials take the shape of their container, giving them no distinct visual features. Instead of recognizing the shape of the container as a proxy for its internal contents, we instead ask, can robots identify containers and their contents without direct manipulation? Previous works have shown near-infrared light can permeate the surface of opaque containers. We present a new spectral gripper to collect visible to near-infrared reflectance readings from 340 to 1700 nanometers. Two integrated spectrometers are focused on a sensing point 1 centimeter from the gripper paddle. Active illumination from a quartz tungsten halogen bulb enables sensitivity across the electromagnetic spectrum. This sensor setup allows us to observe aspects of the underlying chemical composition of both the container and its contents without direct contact. To collect a reading, the gripper first closes around a container to a fixed offset using the time-of-flight sensor. Next, the integrated light illuminates the contents. Some photons are immediately reflected by the container. Others are reflected off a Teflon white reference on the opposite gripper paddle. The remainder are absorbed or scattered by the contents and container. The measured signal is a mixture of reflectance from the container and its internal contents. We explore the capabilities of spectral sensing of liquids by curating a dataset of different types of plastic, glass, rubber, and paper containers, 13 total. We include containers with varying optical clarity, color, and geometry. Inside these containers, we place 13 different liquids and granular solids. The dataset contains 30 samples for each pairing. These containers and content combinations are representative of food products likely found in a pantry or refrigerator. Incoming spectral readings are first normalized and appended to the gradient of the signal. We then feed forward the augmented reading through a hierarchical model based on a multi-layered perceptron, which first learns to predict the container type. The class probabilities are then fed into a second network to predict contents. Learning these models in tandem allows for us to account for signal uncertainties, as certain containers can block parts of the spectrum. Our hierarchical approach yields superior performance compared to several model ablations, with 96% accuracy on container predictions, 85% accuracy on contents, and 82% accuracy for both container and content. We deploy the gripper and model on a stretch mobile manipulator and grasp several container content combinations. The model shows considerable skill in recognizing visually similar contents across containers. This work demonstrates a general purpose ability for robots to estimate both the material of containers and their contents without direct manipulation.